Okay, now in this video, I'll be talking about OpenSuse Tumbleweed. It's a new version, and I'll be talking about how to download this version and how to install it as a virtual machine. So to download the ISO image of this OpenSuse, we need to go to this address. So let's just open our browser. I've already opened it here, so let's just go to this address, which is software.opensuse.org, and here you can see we have two flavors of OpenSuse. One is the Leap and one is this Tumbleweed. So I'm gonna download this Tumbleweed version. So let's just click this Tumbleweed and now click this direct link, and as you can see, it's a huge file and it's almost 4.7 GB. So let's just cancel this download. I've already downloaded this file, so let's just see that file. Here's the file. It's an ISO image. So let's just create a folder here, and I'm gonna name this folder OpenSuse-Tumbleweed. Okay. Now the second part is this VMware player. So it's a freeware. You can easily download this and install it. It's a very simple tool. So I've already done that. So let's just open this tool. So this is my VMware Workstation 12. So now click here, create a new virtual machine. After that, make sure that you've selected this installer disk image file. Now click this browse button and navigate to the location where we've placed your ISO image. So this is my ISO image. So let's just select this and hit this open. Now click next. Now here I'm gonna choose the location where I want to save my virtual machine. So I'm gonna save my virtual machine to this location, to this, and okay, so yeah, here it is, the OpenSuse Tumbleweed folder. So now press OK, then next. Okay, now here I'm gonna leave this option as default. I'm gonna assign the maximum disk size to be 20 GB, and also I'm gonna select this option, store virtual disk as a single file. So now just click next, leave everything as it is. Oh, okay, one change. Here you can see the memory, it has assigned by default, it's 768 MB. What I want to do is I want to assign a memory of 6 GB to this virtual machine. So how can I do that? I just need to click this customize hardware, and 6 GB is almost 6144 megabytes. So this one is almost 6 GB. Now close this and click finish. Okay, and now click OK. Now here, when you will be installing this as a virtual machine, you're going to get this message that says that install OpenSuse as you would on a physical computer. So when you are done and the operating system boots up, you need to click this I finish installing. So now let's just start with our regular installation. So I'm gonna select this installation option and hit enter. So it's taking a little bit of time. Okay, now you can see the screen, so you need to select your language here, so just leave this as English US, and now just click this next button. Again, on this screen, I'm going to leave all the options as they appear to be. So now just clicking this next button. Okay, here you can select your region, and then you can select your time zone. For example, let's just say it's Asia, and we can have different time zones here. For example, let's just say we have different options here. Let's just randomly select one. Okay, now this is asking me that what type of user interface I would like to use. Either I would like to use a KDE Plasma interface, or I want to go with this Genome. So my preference is to use this KDE Plasma. I want to check it out. So let's just select this and click next. Here I'm going to specify my user name. I'm also going to specify my password. Confirm password. Also, I would like to uncheck this automatic login so that whenever my machine boots up, it forces me to enter the password so that I can log in into my machine. Now click this next button. Okay, this pop-up is telling me that this password that I've specified, it's too simple. So let's just ignore this option, and I just really want to use this password. So just click next. Also yes. Now everything is set up properly. So I'm gonna click this install button. Hit this install. Installation is completed, and the machine will be restarted. Okay, here just select this first option, OpenSuse Tumbleweed. Okay, it's starting, so we're going to have to wait. Okay, now there you go. Now this is my user, and here I have to give my password. Now click this login. Okay, we are done with the installation. Now just click this I finished installing. Okay, after that click this, and that's it. And now we can use our machine as we like. So that's it, guys. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and also subscribe my channel.